AI's artistic dilemma. In today's rapidly evolving world, artificial intelligence, AI, has permeated almost every sector, including the realm of arts. From generating music to painting pictures and writing poetry, AI's capabilities in artistic creation have sparked a complex debate. Can machines be truly creative, or are they merely tools that simulate the appearance of creativity? This discussion isn't just about whether AI can create art, but what it means for human creativity in a world where machines can mimic and possibly surpass our own artistic expressions. The expansion of AI in creative fields. AI as a tool for artists. AI's foray into the arts has been met with both excitement and skepticism. On one hand, artists have embraced AI technologies as powerful tools to push the boundaries of their creativity. Programs and algorithms designed to generate visual art, music, and literature can perform tasks at speeds incomprehensible to humans, processing vast data sets to create complex patterns and predictions. For instance, AI programs that analyze thousands of paintings can learn stylistic nuances and apply these to create unique artworks. This capability can serve as a catalyst for artists, providing them with new forms of inspiration and experimental techniques that were previously unimaginable. Moreover, AI can democratize art creation, making it more accessible to those without formal training. By simplifying and automating certain aspects of the creative process, AI allows emerging artists and hobbyists to experiment with complex artistic methods. The authenticity and value of AI-generated art. The rise of AI in art has sparked intense debate over the authenticity and value of AI-generated works. Critics argue that art created by AI lacks the emotional depth and intention traditionally associated with human-created artworks. Art, in many views, is an expression of human experience, emotion, and perspective, a view of the world through the artist's eyes, filtered through their feelings, thoughts, and biases. When a machine creates art, these inherently human elements are absent, which some say results in a product that, while aesthetically pleasing, might lack the soul or essence that characterizes true artistry. Furthermore, the ability of AI to produce art in large quantities at a rapid pace poses a threat to traditional notions of artistic value and rarity. Ethical implications in artist identity. Ethical considerations in AI art. The ethical implications of AI in artistic creation revolve around issues of copyright, originality, and the use of pre-existing materials. AI systems often learn from vast data sets that include works created by human artists, raising questions about intellectual property rights and the originality of AI-generated content. If an AI creates a piece of art based on patterns it has learned from copyrighted works, who then owns the rights to the resulting piece? This question complicates the legal landscape, requiring new frameworks to accommodate the unique challenges posed by AI. Moreover, there's a concern about the potential for AI to perpetuate biases present in its training data. If an AI's dataset is skewed or unbalanced, the art it produces might reinforce existing cultural biases, inadvertently or not. Artist identity and the role of AI. As AI becomes more prevalent in the arts, the role and identity of the artist are undergoing significant transformation. For some, AI is a collaborator, a co-creator that brings a new dimension to the artistic process. This perspective celebrates the potential of AI to enhance human creativity, suggesting a symbiotic relationship where both human and machine learn from and influence each other. In this scenario, the artist's role shifts from sole creator to director or guide, orchestrating the AI's capabilities while injecting personal creative vision and human insight. However, for others, the rise of AI represents a threat to the artist's traditional role. There is a palpable fear that AI might replace the artist altogether, especially in commercial applications where efficiency and cost-effectiveness are prized over artistic integrity and depth. The impact on cultural heritage and future generations. Preserving human influence. As AI technologies become more ingrained in the creative sectors, there is an underlying concern about preserving the human influence that shapes cultural heritage. Art is not just a means of aesthetic expression, but also a vehicle for cultural storytelling and historical record. It conveys the nuances of human society, personal struggles, and collective triumphs. When machines begin to shoulder more of the creative load, there is a risk that future generations may encounter a homogenized cultural landscape, devoid of the rich diversity of human thought and feeling that art usually captures. Fostering human-machine collaboration. Instead of viewing AI as a replacement for human artists, there can be a concerted effort to use these technologies as a bridge to new forms of artistic expression. This approach involves viewing AI as a partner or assistant that brings new tools to the creative table. By fostering a collaborative relationship between humans and machines, artists can explore new realms of creativity, pushing beyond the traditional limits of human capability and expression. For example, AI can help artists analyze and integrate diverse cultural elements in ways previously unimaginable, potentially leading to a new era of global artistic expression that truly encapsulates the variety of human experience. The changing landscape of art education and professionalism. Educational reforms. As AI reshapes the artistic landscape, there is a growing need to adapt educational systems to prepare future artists for this new reality. Art education may need to include elements of technology and data science, equipping students with the skills to harness AI tools effectively. This shift could lead to a more interdisciplinary approach to art education, blending traditional artistic techniques with cutting-edge technology. Such an integration will not only alter the skills artists possess, but also expand their understanding of what art can be in the digital age. Professional opportunities and challenges. The evolution of AI in the arts opens up new professional avenues for artists, from working in tech-driven design and entertainment industries to engaging in AI research that focuses on enhancing creative tools. However, this shift also presents challenges, particularly in terms of job security and the need for continuous learning to keep pace with technological advancements. Artists will need to be adaptable, continually updating their skills to remain relevant in an increasingly automated world. This dynamic could create a more competitive environment, but also one rich with opportunities for those who can integrate AI into their creative process effectively. Ethical considerations in AI-generated art. Ownership and copyright. One of the most pressing ethical issues in the realm of AI-generated art revolves around questions of ownership and copyright. When a piece of art is created with the assistance of AI, determining who holds the copyright, the artist, the AI developer, or even the AI itself, becomes a complicated issue. This dilemma not only impacts the artists and creators, but also affects the legal frameworks that support creative industries. As AI becomes more autonomous in generating content, the traditional understanding of authorship is challenged. Authenticity and originality. Another significant ethical concern is the authenticity and originality of art created by AI. The capacity of AI to analyze and replicate styles can lead to artworks that, while impressive, may lack the personal imprint that typically defines artistic originality. This situation raises questions about the value we place on human touch and the definition of creativity. Is an artwork still valuable if it perfectly imitates the style of a human artist, but is created by an algorithm? The challenge lies in maintaining a balance, where AI aids creativity without diluting the personal expression and emotional depth that are often celebrated in human-created art. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.